Elevator tayo, ang room number natin ay 1222. Nakapag early check-in tayo kaya makakapagpahinga na rin tayo. Nakapagpahinga na kami ng konti dito sa aming room kasi nakapag early check-in kami kanina. So ngayon naman, since na kanina pa kami kumain ng breakfast at yung kinain naming breakfast light lang, lalabas na kami para kumain. So nakakita kami ng malapit na Jollibee rito. Mag-walk lang tayo, then kakain tayo ron. Then after that, maghanap tayo ng store kung saan tayo makakabili ng pang spray sa bed. Ayan. Ayan. Bili ng tubig kasi kailangan natin ng tubig dahil mainit dito. So ayan, samahan nyo kami. Ayan, umpisa na natin ang gala. So since na hinahanap natin yung Jollibee, pakita na natin kung ano ang itsura ng Times Square sa umaga. So meron din Times Square is a major commercial intersection, tourist destination, and entertainment center. One of the key attractions here is Broadway. Times Square is home to over 40 professional theaters with a total of 500 or more seats. Shows range from long-running classic to brand new productions, catering to all tastes. Over 360,000 pedestrians pass through Times Square each day, making it one of the world's busiest pedestrian areas. It's often referred to as the crossroads of the world. It's located at the junction of Broadway and 7th Avenue and stretches from West 42nd Street to West 47th Street. Daming tao kahit na medyo mainit itong klima dito sa Times Square. Napakalapit lang nitong Jollibee sa ating hotel na tinutuluyan. So meron din siyang meal deals. Sariling atin. Ano na yan? Ay, salamat. Malamig. Kain na tayo guys. Gutom na kami kasi gabi pa kami, kahapon pa kami nakakain ng kanin. Mag-trade na kami sa kanin. Kaya bumili na kami ng maraming Jollibee para pagkain na kami isang linggo. Puro Jollibee na lang. Isang linggo Jollibee. Nakakain na tayo. So meron kami Chicken Joy, isang bucket ng Chicken Joy, then rice, then cheeseburger, tapos si Abby chicken tender, then pineapple juice. Sarap kasi gutom na kami, kaya sali na kayo, kain na tayo. So mamamasyal ulit tayo mamayang gabi para naman sa ganon ma-enjoy natin yung ating unang araw dahil halos kalahating araw sinakop ng ating travel. Sulitin natin yung unang araw natin dito sa New York! This iconic area is famous for its bright lights and billboards. You'll also find a plethora of street performers, from musicians and dancers to artists and living statues. They add the unique and lively atmosphere that makes Times Square so special. For shopping enthusiasts, Times Square offers everything from flagship stores like M&M's World and Disney Store to smaller unique boutiques. It's a shopping paradise for locals and tourists alike. Foodies will love the diverse dining options, from street vendors offering quick bites to gourmet restaurants serving exquisite meals. There's something for every palate.